Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Eva from the Glitter Corner here. And as I told you already in my last video, last week I have been trying out a new ombre gradient technique and this is the result and I'm super happy. For me this is by far the easiest gradient technique that I've done so far, so let's get started and I show you how I did it. So of course, first I apply a thin base coat layer on all of my nail tips, and then for the first nail I take out my mixing palette, put this super nice light blue gel polish on it, and I mix it up with my base coat so I make it even more transparent. And then with my gel brush I apply a very thin first layer. And once I have that more or less even, I take out my glitters and I apply some of them in the nail bed area. This is a very wintry glitter, so I take my spatula and I only pick out the glitter pieces that I want without the snowflakes contained in there. But there are some very nice tiny silvery stars and I make sure that they are going to appear in the nail bed. So once I have cured the first layer in my nail lamp for 60 seconds, I come in with my base coat and I mix it up even more with the blue gel polish. On camera I have to say it looks very white, but in reality it is a super nice, beautiful light blue shade, and I hope you see the difference once I come in with the white gel polish on the free edge area to create the gradient. So I cured that layer as well, and now I'm coming in with a milky white gel polish and with my gel brush and only apply the white in the nail tip area. And all I use now is my gradient brush and a little bit of the top coat to create kind of a slip layer, only to make it easier for me to disperse the white from the nail tip area down to the nail bed area. And you can see as I'm dragging down the milky white gel polish, the gradient comes up. And I'm moving from side to side, dragging the white gel polish down, and by this the gradient starts to appear. Now I'm dragging a bit more down from the tip, and you can see this is nearly real time, so it is super quick and it is super easy, and all you have to do, make sure that the white doesn't create any harsh line, is to move from side to side. So now I'm coming in with my top coat, with my clear top coat, and I'm floating that over the glitters to make sure the stars do not peek through. And that's it. First nail done. And here I'm creating another nail, this time with a very light rose color gel polish. And I'm dispersing the white. Here's the blue nail again. So then I created also this mint green nail. I'm in a summery mood right now, so of course my nails had to look quite summery. I would wear each nail I created as a set. I'm super happy how each of them turned out. This is the rose nail, super pretty, I love it. Now back to the mint nail, and I'm coming in with the milky gel polish over all the other cured layers, and with a little bit of top coat I'm starting to drag down the white gel polish from side to side, being careful to not create any harsh lines. And there we go. Third nail done. Coming in with the top coat, encapsulating the glitter, and we are ready to go. So after this I went bolder with the colors. Here I'm using one of my favorite purple gel polishes. And then I was trying out a gradient with two colors. In this case I picked pink and yellow, and I was just trying to see if I could create a gradient with colors that are a bit more tricky to combine together. But yeah, it worked out perfect. So I cured the pink gradient as well, and when I came in with the yellow, I was working on completely dry ground, so to say, trying to marble everything together. And this is the first layer. And while that cures in my lamp for 60 seconds, I come in with this stronger blue, because I noticed on camera the stronger colors actually do not look that strong. And now I'm coming in with the mint color again, without being so translucent, just the mint color. And after curing that, I come in with the yellow, and I'm trying to combine that with the mint. Maybe on the blue nail I did not have that much patience, but as you can see, I create a second layer with the gradient colors, and it turned out quite beautiful. Very summery, I have to say. And these are all the nails together again, like I showed you in the beginning. Super easy ombre gradient technique. You all need gradient brush, guys, and need to practice that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.